Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Online. Today we are going to learn about how to make money with Teespring. So this is a very easy tutorial for Teespring, and right now you can see we are at google.com and we are going to search on top teespring.com, and once you search this you will end up over here. So first of all we need to understand like what is Teespring, like why Teespring. So this is an online platform that allows users to create and sell custom merchandise. So such as like t-shirts, hoodies and other apparel items. Users can create designs using the platform's tool and then set a price and campaign goal for their merchandise. Once the campaign reaches its goal, Teespring will produce and ship the merchandise to the customers who ordered it. So it's very useful in my opinion. And users can also promote their campaigns on social media and other channels to drive sales. Obviously once you create your store over here, you can easily sell it, like show your campaign to any other social media like Instagram or Facebook. So Teespring take care of all your like aspects of I'm just gonna mute this. Teespring can take care of all your aspects of production and fulfillment and shipping, and users can get the profit of their sold items minus Teespring's fees. So you will see what I'm talking about, like which include the cost of production and platform fee. Additionally, Teespring offers such features like as inventory management, custom service, and analytics, and to help users to track the performance of their campaign. So let's get started. I'm just wasting so much time over here to explain it, like what is Teespring here, and what do you need to do. You need to create your account, obviously. So start creating, right? Just click on start creating. It will ask you to sign up. So you have so many options over here like Facebook, Google and YouTube. So otherwise just go with like your brand name and email and password. So I'm just going with this, continue with Google, because I can, so I'm just going to click on Google, wait for it. So once you log in, you will end up over here. So you can see how quick it was. Like I just need to click two buttons and I end up in my dashboard. Here it is, like your dashboard where you are going to edit everything related to your merchandise. So let's get started. So on the top you can see that verify your email address, which I will do right now, and you can just resend verification email if you haven't received it. So once you verify your email ID, you will end up over here and you can see all your analytics will be over here, because this is the dashboard and you will find everything over here. And if you scroll down more, you have your sell anywhere, uh, you can just create your own campaign to share your store, all those stuff. But at the end, you can see that create products, edit store. You can even edit stores and run a sale. You can just run a sale if you want, promo code and discount, all of those stuff. So what do you need to do? You need to create your product first of all, right? So on the top left corner you have your product, like create product. Click on that, and what happens, it will take you to the design launcher. As you can see over there, it's showing you like a slim fit and 100% cotton, highest profit margins for you, and we handle printing, shipping and customer service for all products. So right now you can just click on browse all products or just click on create if you want. I'm just gonna create like click on create and you will end up over here. Otherwise just go back. All right, I'm just like showing you like what you can just create. So you have your t-shirts, your classic hoodies, mugs and even caps, and there are a lot of stuff which you can just add it and you can just sell it for free. So in my opinion, this is one of the best website outside, like you want to do something from your home and with your designs. So just go ahead and do that, like create your account and start doing it, start selling. So right now I'm just going with this t-shirt. So on the left side you have so many options over here, which is add image, add text, choose your product, set your pricing and advanced, which I will show you later on. So first of all you can just add your image over here, but if you just want to add your text, you can just also do that right away. But no, I'm just going to add an image. So I'm just gonna find that real quick. So as you can see, this is the image I added right now, and this is the one, like this picture I took from my camera. And even if I just going to zoom in, you can see that it will say print quality will be poor. So go with the like with minimal size. Why? Because print quality will be good, as you can see over here, and pixel won't burst out. So just leave it as it is, and I'm going to change the color of the shirt, and I'm going with the normal one, like black or gray. I think black or gray. I think you can just select multiple colors if you want. I'm just going with this one, and you can just preview it. if you click on it, how it will look like. Obviously it's just a tutorial, I'm just showing you as a tutorial, but you can just create multiple things over here. So once you done that, click on design again, and if you click on that, you can just even rotate it if you want, it's all on you. You can just click on, you know this. You can just also delete it and add new one, and you can add more images if you want, but I'm just going with this one. You get the idea what I'm trying to say. So this is the image and this is the shirt I want to sell. And if you want to, add text right under this, you can also do that if you want. And you have so many options, like I'm just gonna write something like hell door, random stuff. So I'm just gonna choose this, and you can set the font for the back, like back of this t-shirt, or just go with the front. I'm just going with the front one. And if you click on it, you can just set the fonts too if you want. I'm going with this one, hell door. And the color like white. I guess white would be good, right? Or maybe I'm going with this one, with this yellow color. So after that, you can just preview it if you want, and you have your set your pricing. So obviously it's showing you like in US based and even in EU. So you can just set that if you want, and go with the price if you want. Like if I go with the 25, you can see that you will have 6.64 profit per sale. So you can just set as much as you want and go ahead. You can click on advanced, and you can select the feature view, like how people would see like this. So people would see on the back or in the front. So it's all on you how you want to show. After that after that just click on continue, and it will take you to over here. So you, on the top, you can see that great design. So you have your design like you have created, right? So this will show you all products, like all different products where your design would be applied. So you can see all those products, and you can just add that to your store over here. So for this design, I'm just going with this a premium pullover hoodie, and I'm just going to click on that, and you can see over here you can even edit the price if you want. So I'm just going to edit the price for this, because it seems like for starter, I guess it's a lot, so I'm just going to set this like this and click on continue. So you can see you can just play around multiple things like this and click on continue again. So I'm just going with these two right now, and you can give the title like hell door. So obviously it's just my new account, and I'm just going to add description related to it, 10 out of 100% cotton, etc. All those things which you want to add, you can also do that. And if you click on advanced, you can even edit the URL if you want. So you can just copy that and send this to anyone who wants to buy this shirt, and your add to existing store, yes, obviously, and visibility public. So once you've done that, you can see on the top create new listing. Obviously this is a new listing, and if you want to add to new like existing listing, you can just click on that and select your held, or if you have already created multiple designs, click on launch listing right now. Wait for it. It won't take that much time, but right now it's just preparing your listing. And congratulations, the Eldor is now live. As you can see, you can just share your URL and start creating your another listing if you want. And you can just offer promo codes if you want. It's all on you, whatever you are going to offer your viewers or customers. So as you can see over here, you can just activate this promo code if you want, but obviously right now I'm not going to do that. You can just sell it on YouTube or Instagram, Twitch, and Linktree. So this is how you are going to make money with Teespring, and how you can create your design. So I hope you understand every single thing. Please comment down below if you have any queries, any related to this Teespring. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye and take care.